Across the drifting winter seas they gather toward the northern flame. From cities crowned with sunlight to valleys where the night has no name. Footsteps rise through ancient snow, each bearing tales of distant lands. Some from windswept southern kingdoms, others born where desert stands. From Finland's quiet star-bright woods comes a hymn of frozen light. Later voices warm with Kenya's dawn join softly in the swelling night. Through the gates they pass together, cloaks of every shade unfurled. And far behind them Argentina sends its spirit to the world. Of island storms and mountain choirs drift beneath the castle's dome. Whispers from the east and west, from roads that never shared a home. Yet in the glow of northern fire, borders fade like falling snow. Many stories, many journeys, meeting where the cold winds blow.